Hey there, YouTubers. My latest find, a Hoover Convertible U4365, found in the back of the thrift shop where I got my Hoover 305, as you see in the background. And it was in bad shape. It was uh, very dirty, had a wet, smelly, yucky bag in it because it was sitting with no covering, just sitting out in the back. The brush roller turned into a bright orange. It was so rusty you could not turn it with your hand. It was seized. But as you see, I was able to scrounge up a original 5-piece attachment kit for it. Did not find the machine with the kit. I had well, all the attachments in the hose a few different places, but I scrounged it all together. So I do have the original 5-piece attachment kit with the hose and the converter. I'll show you underneath the unit. I completely dismantled the brush roll, took the brushes out, the bearings, end caps, sanded, painted, re-greased the bearings, put it all back together, pressure washed the entire unit. Notice this unit is riveted on as opposed to being screwed on like they normally are. And I like that because with our old one, every few times you took this off, you had to tighten the screw. So I'm loving this is riveted on like that. The bag was damaged. Um, the zipper was not functioning. As you see, there's some stitching here and a little slit down here where I had to slit and get the zipper to lock back on it. And once I did that, I sewed it to keep you from going any higher and stitched this up, and down here was damaged. There's a split right around in here somewhere, so I sewed that up real good to keep you from going any farther and stitched this the rest of the way down. Notice this unit only has 2 height adjustments. It's got low and normal, where as opposed to my old one had low, normal, high, and shag. But it did clean up very well, and it runs and sounds very good. So I will demonstrate that for you now. Nice bag. I'll hook the hose up just to say I did it. And there you have it. My free Hoover convertible. Hope you enjoyed.